Welcome to Ishan Group of Companies. We are a trusted name in the field of mining and manufacturing. Founded in 1985 by Mr. Rajkumar Agrawal, Ishan Group of Companies has established its identity with over 4 decades of experience. Under our trusted brand, Ishan Gold, we have positioned ourselves as leading manufacturers of building construction materials such as lime plaster and whitewash. Additionally, we have made a distinct mark across various industries as a reliable supplier of raw dolomite, calcined dolomite, and hydrated dolomite. Our products play a crucial role in industries like steel, construction, glass, and fertilizers. We manufacture low silica dolomite stone, customized to meet the sizing requirements of our customers. Our key clients include Jindal Steel and Power Limited, Tata Steel, NMDC Steel Limited, Sunflag Steel, Evonith Steel, and many other leading steel companies. Furthermore, our lime plaster and whitewash products are widely used in the construction industry as putty and paint. These products are easily available across the country through our strong network of 500 plus distributors and over 10,000 dealers. Our 2 factories in Yavatmal district play a significant role in our success. Rajur unit, located 6 kilometers from Vani, serves as the foundation of our production excellence. It is our first plant where we manufacture high-quality calcined dolomite and India's first ISI certified lime plaster. Ganeshpur unit houses India's first preheater rotary kiln facility, where dolomite calcination and hydrated dolomite production takes place. Spread over 16 acres, this state-of-the-art, fully automated plant manufactures low silica calcined dolomite, ISI certified lime plaster, and whitewash, symbolizing innovation and quality. Mining is at the heart of all our operations. Our 100-acre mine produces 5 lakh metric tons of dolomite stone annually, with a total reserve of 2 crore metric tons. Situated in central India, this mine is known for its low silica dolomite and is operated using advanced technology. With modern machinery, we ensure efficient and safe mining processes. We take pride in our robust production capacities, backed by our ISO 9001 certification, which ensures a well-structured work system. With a crushing capacity of 150 tons per hour and a daily production of 500 units of calcined dolomite, we maintain efficiency and high output. At Ishan Group, we uphold the values of integrity, responsibility, quality, and unwavering customer service.
हमारे कंपनी का एक ही स्लोगन है और उसी के ऊपर हम लोग काम करते हैं, QSV, क्वालिटी, सर्विस एंड वैल्यू। क्वालिटी मतलब अल्टीमेट क्वालिटी जो हम प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं। उसके बाद सर्विस की हम लोग ग्राहक को टाइम पर माल दे सकें, जहाँ कोने कोने तक माल टाइम पर पहुँचा सके। और वैल्यू फॉर मनी, हमारा जो कस्टमर है वो हमको जो पैसा दे रहा है उसको हम जो चीज़ दे रहे हैं उसके बदले उसको उसका पूरी तरीके से वैल्यू मिले उस पैसे।
Our vision of the company is to be a global leader in lime related products, and our mission is to be a market leader by 2030 for our lime based product in India.
The Ishan Group team is continuously moving forward, contributing to the nation's progress and exploring new opportunities, where every step unlocks new possibilities and growth.
Ishan Gold, Ishan Ki.